Maria and ang haba. It's too long. Very long name. And I am the only one person that have that name no around the world. So, oh, 3 weeks. Okay. So enjoy your vacay. So are you coming here on Christmas or not? Or or what do you have ticket already? Flight ticket already on the time? So you're alone. You know, if you go travel alone, it's very sad to go travel alone, no. But maybe you want you're free, you're alone. But up to you, it's okay. So you know the Boracay. How many times you go to Philippines already? Ever since? How many times? So enjoy your vacation. Hi, thank you for dropping by. Alkas, please like my our live. And everyone who's watching, who's dropping by, please likes our live, guys. Okay. Ay, konti na lang. Makakapag-live pa ba ako neto sa Juliana ko? Did you message me? Did you find my profile there? Maria. Full Maria. Maria. Did you take down notes? Maria. M. Dina. Take down notes. Maria Mercedes ang pangalan ko. Maria M. Dina Mondigo Prensona. It's very long. So maybe you cannot find me there. Alkash, seriously, I have my very long name at my at my Facebook. Maria M. Dina Mondigo Prensona. Did you get it? Up to you, Alkash. I don't know if you get my name. It's too long. Mm-mm-mm. So what time is it now? 11:41. So do I have time to go still at my Juliana, my TikTok account? Do you have also TikTok account, Alkash? Alkash, do you have also TikTok account? Alkash and Omega. Hi, thank you for dropping by. Likes our live, guys. Likes. Ay, umaano na yung dila ko dito. Ayaw nyo pang i-likes ang aking live. Likes our live, guys. Likes. Welcome everyone at Aina Diana Click. Hello everyone. Did you take my FB? Did you get my real name at FB, Alkash? Alkash. Hi, Alkash.